Hello everyone, and welcome to Wild Wonders. In the depths of the Southern Ocean, a mythical creature glides through the kelp forests, its leaf-like appendages undulating elegantly. Welcome to the enchanting world of the Leafy Sea Dragon. Our journey begins off the coast of South Australia, where the Leafy Sea Dragon finds refuge among the seaweed. First off, let's get to know what a Leafy Sea Dragon is. The Leafy Sea Dragon, or Phycodurus eques, is a marine fish related to the seahorse. It's not an actual sea dragon, but rather a unique species of fish that got its name for its incredible camouflage. These fascinating creatures are part of the Syngnathidae family, which includes seahorses and pipefish. Leafy sea dragons are exclusively found in the waters of southern Australia. Their distribution spans from Wilson's Promontory in Victoria at the eastern extremity to Jurien Bay, located 220 kilometers north of Perth in Western Australia. Its camouflage is extraordinary. Resembling floating leaves, it remains hidden from predators. The Leafy Sea Dragon's intricate leaf-like appendages are not for swimming. They're for camouflage. Covered in tiny branching filaments, they mimic the surrounding algae and seagrass. Even its slow, undulating movements mimic drifting seaweed. But let's not forget about their beautiful fins. Leafy sea dragons have two dorsal fins and a tail fin, all of which are covered in colorful patterns. These fins help them maneuver through the water with grace and ease. Unlike their seahorse cousins, leafy sea dragons do not have a coiled tail for anchoring themselves to seagrass. Instead, they drift in the water, swaying back and forth like a piece of floating seaweed. Leafy sea dragons are slightly larger than most seahorses, growing to about 20 to 24 centimeters or 8 to 9.5 inches in length. They primarily feed on plankton and small crustaceans, like mysid shrimp, sweeping through the water with their elongated snouts. Their eyes are capable of moving independently, enabling them to survey their surroundings for predators and prey alike. While swimming, they seem to effortlessly glide through the water, resembling pieces of drifting seaweed, and preserving the illusion of their camouflage. When it comes to reproduction, leafy sea dragons have a unique approach. The males bear the young, similar to seahorses. However, unlike seahorses, which have a pouch, the male sea dragon has a spongy brood patch on the underside of its tail. This is where females lay their bright pink eggs during mating. The eggs are fertilized during the transfer from the female to the male. A female can produce as many as 300 bright pink eggs at a time. The courtship dance is a sight to behold. The female, swollen with eggs, follows the male, attempting to lay them on his brooding patch. They swim side by side, going to the surface in a beautiful courting dance. It's an incredible sight to see. The leafy sea dragon has an estimated lifespan of around 7 to 10 years in their natural environment. However, due to various factors such as predation, unfavorable environmental conditions, and competition for resources, not all individuals may live that long. Despite their ethereal appearance, leafy sea dragons are quite delicate. Their fragile bodies are vulnerable to pollution, habitat degradation, and the impacts of climate change. Luckily, there are conservation efforts in place to protect them and ensure their survival for future generations. Leafy sea dragons serve as crucial ambassadors to the underwater world, playing a key role in sustaining the equilibrium of marine ecosystems. The preservation of their habitat is essential for the survival of numerous other species. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey into the underwater world of the Leafy Sea Dragon. If you found this video enjoyable and wish to discover more about these fascinating creatures, remember to click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Until we meet again, remain inquisitive and continue exploring, everyone.